Choosing the right platform to manage your projects and team can feel like navigating a crowded marketplace. Two names often rise to the top of the conversation: Basecamp and Notion. While both aim to enhance collaboration and organization, they approach the task with fundamentally different philosophies and feature sets. As a seasoned project management professional, I've seen teams thrive with both, and I've also witnessed mismatches that hindered productivity. This video will delve into the core differences between Basecamp and Notion, breaking down their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases. We'll steer clear of jargon and AI-generated fluff, focusing on clear, simple language that anyone, whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting to explore organizational tools, can understand. Think of this as your straightforward guide to making an informed decision for your team's success. Understanding the core philosophies. At their heart, Basecamp and Notion operate with distinct intentions. Basecamp, the all-in-one project management hub. Basecamp positions itself as a dedicated project management platform. It's designed from the ground up to centralize all aspects of a project within a single, unified environment. Think of it as a digital office space specifically tailored for teams working together. Its core strength lies in its simplicity and focus on essential project management functionalities. Basecamp offers a predefined structure with tools like to-do lists for task management and assignment, message boards for team communication and discussions, file storage for sharing and organizing project documents, schedule for setting deadlines and milestones, automatic check-ins for gathering regular updates from team members, real-time chat, Campfire for quick, informal communication. Basecamp's philosophy is to provide everything a team needs for project management in one place, without the need for extensive customization or integrations. It's about streamlining workflows and ensuring everyone is on the same page within the Basecamp ecosystem. Notion, the flexible workspace and information hub. Notion, on the other hand, is a more versatile and modular all-in-one workspace. While it can certainly be used for project management, its capabilities extend far beyond that. Notion is built on the concept of customizable blocks that users can arrange and combine to create various types of content and workflows. Think of Notion as a digital construction kit. You have a set of powerful building blocks: text, images, databases, calendars, embedded content, and more that you can assemble in virtually any way you need. This flexibility allows teams to build custom solutions for project management, creating task boards, timelines, and project briefs, knowledge management, building wikis, documentation, and internal knowledge bases, note-taking and personal organization, managing individual tasks, notes, and goals, content creation, drafting documents, blog posts, and meeting minutes, databases and CRM-like systems, tracking clients, leads, and other data. Notion's strength lies in its adaptability. It empowers teams to design their own workflows and information structures, tailoring the platform to their specific needs and preferences. Key differences in functionality. Let's break down the core differences in how these platforms handle key project management aspects. 1. Task management. Basecamp offers straightforward to-do lists with assignees, due dates, and the ability to add descriptions and attachments. It's simple and effective for managing individual tasks within a project. However, it lacks advanced features like dependencies, subtasks within subtasks, and customizable workflows. Notion provides highly customizable task management through databases. You can create task lists with various properties: status, priority, assignees, due dates, tags, filter and sort tasks in multiple ways, Kanban boards, tables, lists, calendars, and create complex relationships between tasks. This offers much greater flexibility for managing intricate projects. 2. Communication. Basecamp features dedicated message boards for project-specific discussions, ensuring that conversations stay organized and attached to the relevant project. The Campfire chat provides a space for quick, real-time communication. This keeps project communication centralized and reduces reliance on external email threads. Notion offers communication within the context of pages and databases through comments. While this allows for contextual discussions, it lacks a dedicated, always-on chat feature like Campfire. Teams might need to rely on external communication tools for real-time conversations. However, the ability to embed discussions directly within project documentation can be very powerful. 3. File management. Basecamp provides a simple and organized file storage system within each project. Files are easily accessible and linked to the project they belong to. Version control is basic. Notion allows for embedding various types of files directly into pages. While it doesn't have a dedicated file repository in the same way as Basecamp, its flexible structure allows you to organize files within relevant project pages or create dedicated document hubs. Version history is available for page content. 4. Project structure and organization. Basecamp enforces a more rigid project structure with predefined tools. This can be beneficial for teams who prefer a clear and consistent framework. However, it offers less flexibility for customizing the overall project layout. Notion offers unparalleled flexibility in structuring projects. You can create nested pages, link databases, and design custom dashboards to visualize project progress in a way that suits your team's needs. This adaptability can be a significant advantage for complex or unique projects. 5. Customization and integrations. Basecamp focuses on its core feature set and offers limited native integrations. While it integrates with some popular tools, the customization options within the platform itself are relatively constrained. Notion excels in customization. Its block-based system allows for endless possibilities in creating custom layouts, workflows, and even simple applications within the platform. It also boasts a growing number of integrations with other popular tools, further extending its functionality. 6. Learning curve and ease of use. Basecamp generally has a shallower learning curve. Its straightforward interface and predefined tools make it relatively easy for new users to pick up and start using quickly. Notion can have a steeper learning curve, especially for users who are new to the concept of a highly flexible workspace. While its individual features are often intuitive, mastering the art of building effective custom workflows and structures takes time and experimentation. 7. Pricing. Basecamp offers straightforward, flat-rate pricing based on the number of users, regardless of the number of projects. This can be cost-effective for larger teams managing numerous projects. Notion offers a tiered pricing structure based on the number of members and the features required. While it has a generous free plan for individuals and small teams, larger teams or those needing advanced features will need to subscribe to a paid plan.